Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save the Ticketmaster tickets to Apple Wallet in 2026. Now, saving your tickets to Apple Wallet makes the entry very fast and easy, like no opening of the emails or apps at the door. So here is how you can do it very easily. So first of all, you need to open the Ticketmaster application on your iPhone. After that, you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you log in into your account, you are going to see this type of My Ticket or My Events tab here in the bottom. So you need to simply click on it. Then in the My Events section, look for the upcoming events. In the upcoming events, it is going to show you all of the upcoming events tickets that you have. So among these, you just have to basically select that particular events ticket which you want to save. After tapping on it, it is going to look something like this. So basically, it is going to show you the information about your ticket, like it is going to show you the QR code. So when you scroll down on this page, you will find this add to wallet option. So when you are able to find it, simply tap on it. After tapping on it, it will show you the event ticket, and again it is going to show you the information about your ticket just like so. Now simply click on the option of add on the top right hand corner of the screen. As soon as you do this, you are going to see that now your Ticketmaster ticket is available in your Apple Wallet. So this is how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.